In this lesson, you'll learn how to export a video from Premiere Pro. Once the video is completed, we can now export it. On the top left, click on the export button. And the first thing we want to do is rename this foolishmortal.mp4. Click on the location hyperlink here, click on the desktop, and press save. All of your videos are going to be saved to the desktop. And then you can move them to whatever folder you want to move it into to save it. The preset is match source adaptive high bit rate. We'll just go with the default. Format, go with the default, H.264. It uses advanced compression techniques to encode high quality video at a lower bit rate than older compression standards. On the bottom right, click on Export. It will take a few minutes for it to export. When it's all done, it will go to your desktop and then you can preview it by double clicking on it. What you want to do is you want to preview it and make sure that everything looks and sounds correct. If something is not working right, go back to the Premiere Pro file and fix whatever it is you want to fix. Whenever I'm working on a video, I always have to fix something that I missed. So I might export a video 10 to 15 times until I get it just right. So keep that in mind. Once you have what you're looking for, rename the file and put your last name and then your first name on the file so the instructor knows who you are. And then the last part here that says Foolish Mortal tells the instructor what project they're looking at.